Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys are gonna get a lot of value out of this channel. In today's video, we have a lot to cover, so get your pen, get your paper, get your coffee, whatever you need. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into this video and I'm gonna jump right in. These are small businesses that you can start. Let's do a 7-day start a business challenge so that we can not just say we're going to do something, but actually get into doing something. And these are the businesses that I think that you can start with in 7 days. I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire in 7 days. I'm saying you can start these businesses as side hustles and grow them into a full-fledged business. And these are especially good for women because this is something that you can do on the side and at a small scale, learn how to do it. And then once you become really good, you can take off or do whatever with the company. So number one, let's get into number one. It is a subscription box business. Why is this such a good business model? It's because you have reoccurring customers every single month. You're not out there marketing for more customers on the next month. You already have somebody signed up to buy your product in the next month. So I went to crateandjoy.com, and I'll put a link to them down in the description. And I wanted to research, well, how much does a subscription box business make in a month? They broke it down by subscriptions. If you have 500 subscribers, then you could make approximately $4,500 a month. So this is very variable because it's where you're getting your products from. How much of your products are you getting shipped here? And then how many products do you have in your subscription box? And then shipping and so on. So it breaks everything down so you can get an idea of, if I start this and I have 20 subscribers for the first month, how much am I gonna make? And then if I have 40 subscribers in month 4, how much am I gonna make? So that you can understand it's not gonna be I make $1 million the first month and then $2 million the second month. No, this is a business that you have to grow. You're gonna have to do your marketing and you're gonna have to do a little bit of research. But I like this business model because it's fun. It's physical products that you choose. So it could be a makeup subscription box. It could be self-care, which could be any items. You could rotate the items in and out per month. It could be a candle subscription box. It could be clothing. It could be so many different things. Definitely look into this. I'll put the descriptions of those two companies down in the description box. I also want to talk to you about when you get larger, if you want to have somebody outsource your shipping and everything and you don't want to have all these items in your home, you could go to fulfill.com and they outsource your shipping and hold your inventory for you. So you don't have to be doing all this. Say you want to keep your 9-to-5 or you have another business and this one is your side business, then you don't have to spend all of your time and use all the space in your home for the products. And as far as subscription box types, Fit Fab Fun, they do self-care. Kill a Hunt, they pack the subscription box with all this evidence and you pretend like you're a detective and you solve a crime. So there's boxes like that. There's KiwiCo, that's a one for kids. Coffee of the Month Club ones. So the ones that have to do with food are probably not the ones that you would want to start without knowing the model and how to run it. But if you are just starting out, I would start something that's non-food that you can ship out and hold, as storage in your house for a while, like the beauty products, candles, something that is small. People love to get stuff every month. It's fun. It's a dopamine hit. We love opening stuff. It's great. People love to get little small things that they can use for a month and then they need them again. So the good thing about that is like makeup and beauty products, things that you're going to use up so that you can get another box full of something else. That is where I would start. There's one that is a bakery thing. So if you're going to do local, they bake cookies and then they ship the subscription cookies locally. Cause I don't know how long cookies stay fresh in the mail. So that's something, but this is a really fun business model. It's a successful business model. So that's why you see all of the bigger companies doing it, but you can do it on a smaller scale for now because 500 subscriptions is really not a lot when you think about it, and $4,500 is a great amount of money to make from your small business. Definitely think about it and leave me any questions below if you want me to make a full video on how to start your subscription box and what do you think you should buy, or what do you think you should put in it, and all these different kind of ideas. Like this video is just to give you an idea of what type of business that you can start in the next 7 days before we hit the new year. We want to get started early. We want to do something to make money, or that is our side hustle that can graduate into a full-fledged business for us. Number 2 is selling baked goods. So if you like to bake and you like to bake cupcakes, cookies, whatever the case may be, or homemade candy, baked goods, selling those in your local farmer's market, selling those in your local pop-up shops that people like to do, those make a lot of money. So when you're at the farmer's market or when you're just at public places networking, like for example, you could do, oh, let me tell the PTA about my cupcakes or whatever. And then they'll get you to make cupcakes for the next school event. And then the moms will get you to make cupcakes for their next birthday party. And all of these different things can snowball into a larger business and different events for you, where you could even do weddings and different events like baby showers and things like that. This is a really good business model for somebody who already likes to bake or cook or whatever the case may be. These are good ways to get you out there doing it on a bigger scale for more people. But if you have to stay local, this is a really good way to do it, because farmers markets, they meet usually twice a month. You can check your local area on when the farmers markets meet. It doesn't cost you money to sell there, but you have to have all your pop-up stuff, your tables, your what have you, to sell at the farmers market, to sell your baked goods there. Number 3 is Shopify and using the AI tools that Shopify has to offer. There's one AI tool that's really popular in particular called Zendrop, and what this does is it builds your Shopify store for you by 1, looking for the products that are popular that you can sell, and then 2, building those up in your store. So this is really for beginners, and it's for Shopify owners who are, struggling, but it's for people who don't have all the time in the world to research popular products and to build their Shopify store and to do all the things manually. AI is really helping out small business owners by pulling in research into one place so that you can get everything you need in one place, so you don't have to piecemeal, well, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I get all of these things all together for my business? So definitely, if you want your business to be on Shopify, or your products, even digital products, things like that, definitely go and look up Zendrop on Shopify so that you can use it to help out your store. And if you don't have a Shopify store, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but if you don't have a Shopify store, then get a Shopify store, and that is number 3, selling items in your Shopify store. The other really good thing that I like about Zendrop is that it has an academy, Zendrop Academy, and you can sign up for it, and they can teach you how to run the store, how to be more successful, how to reach out to more people, and they have coaching calls, real people on real coaching calls. And this is good because sometimes as a small business owner, you feel alone, like nobody else is selling the type of things that I'm selling, or nobody else has this business and I need help trying to cultivate this business model, but I don't know how to do it because I don't have the right training, and I don't want to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars looking for this training because I'm trying to grow my business, not just spend a lot of money. So definitely look into Zendrop. Really good tool for Shopify users so that you can grow your store. Number 4, I talked about affiliate marketing briefly in a few of my other videos, but I really like affiliate marketing because it kind of is passive once you get the ball rolling and once you get started. Affiliate marketing is very simple and very easy, but at the same time, don't expect to make $1,000 the first day and $2,000 and $3,000 the second and third day. What I'm saying about affiliate marketing is it's going to be a slow trickle of money at first. So if you're going to use it as your small business, then I would definitely have another means of income while affiliate marketing is running on the side. So affiliate marketing is definitely going to start out as your small business, and it's not going to be passive at first. What I like to tell people for affiliate marketing is one of the most popular sites is Amazon Associates, because look at how many customers you have on Amazon. There's already 5 million people or 8 million people. Everybody has Amazon basically. If you want to sign up for Amazon Associates, go to Amazon Associates. It'll walk you through it. Sign up, build your store. You have of all of the things that you would recommend or that you buy, and then that is you get a commission from somebody else buying that too. Like for example, I will link my Amazon storefront down in the description, and those are all affiliate links. So for example, if somebody clicks on an item, they like it, they also want to buy it, then for 24 hours the cookies on that item will collect, and if they do buy it, then I will get a small commission because they used my Amazon link, my Amazon associate link. And this is how it works with other sites like ClickBank and Commission Junction. And what I would do was, what I've learned from a lot of affiliate marketers is that they use all of the sites. So they're not just favoriting one site and then using no other site. They want to cast a wide net when it comes to affiliate marketing and use everything that's out there to bring in the dollars that on the products that they have affiliations with. So if you're going to start small and you want something easy to start, I would do Amazon Associates because it's easy. You probably already have an Amazon Prime account, and you probably already have links to all of the things in your order bin about what you ordered and what you do like, and that can start you building up your store, your Amazon storefront, and getting the links for that. I really hope this video added value to you. If it did, go ahead and click the like button. It pushes my video to other people, other women that want to start businesses. This was a quick sample of, hey, how can I start a business in 7 days? What can I do? So just to recap, number one, a subscription box business. Number two, go ahead and look into selling baked goods at farmers markets and online for your local area. Number three was set up your Shopify store and use the AI tool Zendrop that they have for you. And number four, a quick, slow trickle of income would be affiliate marketing just to start out. But a lot of people make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, but just so we can do our 7-day start a business challenge, know that it is not going to be $15,000, but it is going to set you up to gradually get money. So if you're not already subscribed and you like content like this, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.